I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the case and SIM tray. This prevents short circuits and gives clear access. Once done, inspect the bleed area with a flashlight to confirm LCD damage versus surface crack, because the fix path depends on that. Make sure to have a static-free mat and anti-static wrist strap, and lay out tools, small Phillips, suction cup, plastic picks, and the exact replacement screen. Doing these steps now saves time and avoids accidental further damage. You'll heat the frame gently, around 60 to 80 degrees, to loosen adhesive. This prevents cracking. Next, use a suction cup and picks to separate the glass, but stop if you meet resistance and reheat. Once open, disconnect the battery immediately to minimize risk. Then unplug display and digitizer connectors with plastic tools and transfer small parts like camera and proximity sensor to the new assembly, making sure each cable seats flush. A crooked connector causes ghosting or dead areas. Before sealing permanently, you should power on the phone to test touch response and color uniformity. This confirms the replacement fixed the bleed. If everything looks good, power down, apply new adhesive, then align and press the frame evenly. Reinstall screws to a snug feel without over-torquing. Make sure to test sensors and cameras as well. Troubleshooting tip: if bleeding or ghost touches persist, power down and reseat all display connectors. If the problem remains, try the original screen to determine if the issue is motherboard related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.